Hello. Today we are going to discuss about the respiration in organisms. So the respiration takes place in the bodies of both the animals and plants. Breathing is the process of air moving in and out of the body. So this respiration is the process in which energy is released from the food. So oxidation is the process, is the reaction of food with the oxygen. So in oxidation reaction. So glucose is the substance that is oxidized during respiration. We generally see. Okay. Now we move on with the process of breathing. Taking in air rich in oxygen into the body is called the inhalation. Giving out air rich in carbon dioxide from the body is called exhalation. So the number of times a person breathes is termed as breath rate. So this is the number of times a person breathes is called as breath rate. So the respiration takes place in three phases: internal, external and cellular. Exchange of gases from the body and environment is internal. Carrying oxygen into cells and carbon dioxide through food is external. Breaking down of food in the cell to release energy is cellular. So this cellular respiration is of two types: aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. So cellular respirations are of two types. So this aerobic respiration is the process in which organisms respire in the presence of oxygen. It releases 336 ATP and it occurs in both plants and animal cells. Here this is a reaction. So this anaerobic respiration is the process by which organisms respires in the absence of oxygen. It releases 2 ATP. Anaerobic respiration generally occurs in some organisms like yeast and bacteria. It is the equation given. So the differences between the aerobic and anaerobic respirations are: aerobic respirations, here oxygen is necessary, occurs in the cells, mainly in mitochondria. Large amount of ATP is released. Total breakdown of glucose is done and carbon dioxide and water is there. So coming to the anaerobic respiration, oxygen is not necessary, occurs in cytoplasm and small amount of ATP is released and particle behavior of glucose, partial breakdown of glucose is seen. So the organs involved in the respiration of human beings are nostrils, nasal cavity, tracheae, bronchs, lungs, bronchioles, alveoli and diaphragm, which we are going to see in the next class.